We'd been driving past this place for years and years and years, and just nobody was doing anything with it. And so Rick grew up in Hamilton. I've been here for over a decade, and just wanting to see the city continue to turn over just seemed like a great opportunity to really take an old historic building and in an adaptive reuse setting and turn it around.
We really tried to maintain a lot of the character, the history. We have graffiti on the walls. You can see throughout space. One in the bathroom here is from 1909. So just really cool handwriting. So seeing all those things, I felt like we were able to look past the difficulty of bringing it back to life, knowing just the uniqueness of the building.
We felt like we were able to more or less kind of, restore this building in a way that was true to what it was originally from just a structural standpoint, but also make it fit our use for it, from a showroom and an office, and then obviously the wood shop and the paint shop setting. And so what it's turned into, we couldn't be more proud.
There were doors on all these openings, and we were able to kind of recreate one that still kind of functions, and that's where our entrance is. And so I thought that would really highlight as people come in and again maintain that character. Then the rest of them just weren't operational, and we didn't need them because we wanted to add windows throughout all these openings. And so we took them and we made all of our desks out of them. It's just again we're trying to take what the building has given us and repurpose and recreate that into what it is going to be serving going forward.
Our goal from a company standpoint is to positively impact people, positively impact communities, positively impact homes and buildings, because that's what we do. And so the idea that we get to help foster and maintain a momentum in this part of the city is pretty exciting for us.
We couldn't have done it without the people that kept coming on to our team to really help. So, because one of the big things we were challenged with is how do we continue to run a business and still make money, because this has taken a lot of money to invest in. And so building our team up at just the right time, just the right people coming our way.
It's really hard to believe that God put the right guys in the right places. Like if you would have seen these guys get hired that came to us, not us going to them, what they did for this project to keep the business running and this going, you're being like, yep, God's hand's in this place.
There's been such an outpouring of love and support. Countless people have commented on Facebook, thank you for investing in my city, right? And there's just such pride from individuals and they're thanking us for investing in their city, and that's huge.
To be a part of that is just, we could have never guessed that would happen.